guys, it's your girl Sharron, and I want to welcome you to the SalonCHAT, the ultimate virtual salon experience, a platform designed and created for like-minded individuals just like you to have real talk with real professionals sharing real life experiences. So follow me on a little journey and let's check out what's inside.
Yeah, I'm trying to find, iPad. And that's a really good thing because you don't know what you like until you tried it. I mean,
working with you and putting together a class or putting together a photo shoot for a bunch of people to come together and get photos of their work.
You're invited back every single week for us to share content that will help educate, inspire, and transform your life, brand, and business in the beauty industry. And until next time, take care and peace.